Is it going?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm Lori.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
We're from Visiting the Jonas Brothers house. I don't know if you ever watched on YouTube.
It's on YouTube, but this is it.
This is it. This is just a little bit of it. We're not going to play the whole thing. Or it just...
Okay, this is the church. We are passing the church where the Jonas Brothers.
Alright, forget about the video. It's from JCL, JLC.
There it is. You want to search it?
Anyway, put it back. Okay. And we recently learned the Nick J-Man handshake. And
we're gonna show it to you
pretty
guys.
awesome. We have our own twist on it, so don't post the comments. Oh my God, that's not it, because I don't really care.
Yeah, it's not.
Alright, let's try it.
Word.
Hold on, I gotta make sure. No, go in your spot.
Okay.
Alright,
Sure, focus.
ready? Go. What up? What up? What up? Alright, we're gonna have part 2 of Visiting the Jonas Brothers house. It's gonna be around like Christmas time.
So look for it, guys. Jen will be in it this time.
Yeah,
So look for it
she's
this
not here.
time.
Jen, we love you.
Watch out for us. Bye.
Um,